I'm refilming the intro of this because I was a little confused. The reason I was confused is the Ipsy Icon box comes quarterly, starting in like February. It's March when I literally just got home from LA late last night, and this arrived at my door this morning, and I was very confused by it, was not expecting it, super grateful to receive it, but I was like, what's going on here? And as I'm opening it, there's little things marked from Ipsy. So I'm like, oh, okay, this is like, I'm assuming a PR. So right off the bat, I noticed like, oh yay, you know, Ipsy's like changed up the packaging and everything. And you will even hear me reference that this looks like a PR package and everything, and it is. So thank you so much to Ipsy. So I'm just refilming the intro. So if things that I say and question didn't make sense, it's because at the time I did not realize what it was. There was no like extra added different information. So anyways, let's go ahead and jump into the actual video. The Ipsy Icon box for February arrived, which tells me this must still be available. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it for you guys. I was not expecting this. This was sent in PR, so shout out and thank you to Ipsy for thinking of your girl. I definitely appreciate it. Look how it looks like a PR package. How cool is that? I love that. So this is a quarterly subscription. This particular box has been curated by Gabrielle Union. It is $65 per shipment, and you'll receive it like 4 times a year. And it also has a $1.99 handling fee. It's a limited edition upgrade to the Ipsy Glam Bag and BoxyCharm by Ipsy Icon box. You are going to get 8 full-size products in here, and up to $350 is going to be in this box. In the box, we are getting the little pamphlet. Do you know she's like 52 years old? Like, she is absolutely stunning. In here, we do have a little information about her and some of the products and everything. She also owns her own hairline. Did you guys know that? I did not know that. I knew she was an actress. I mean, it's curated so differently than what we're used to, and I love this. I absolutely love this. So let's go ahead and start right off the bat. We're seeing the Ringo tripod bottle. So that is the first item that we are seeing in here. Now I don't see the price. I'm like online looking at stuff. I don't see a price for this particular item. So I don't know if this is necessarily one of her picks, because she will curate with her faves. And then there is also like some that Ipsy ends up picking. I'm almost wondering if this is like a PR box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because there's 9 products in here. So I'm thinking this is like the Ipsy PR, maybe? I don't know. I'm sure someone will let me know in the comment section below. Okay, that's awesome. So you can literally, I've got the little thing on the back that you can stick your phone to this. Magnetically, your phone will actually clip to it, but I've got the Octo Buddy back here. So anyways, very nice, perfect for travel. Thank you, Ipsy. Next in here, wow. Next in here, we've got the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. This is the Norvina palette. I'm trying to think if this is in my collection. Isn't that horrible? Here I'm having to ask, is that in my collection? This does have a retail value of $55. I don't think I own this one. Very pretty. I like this wings. It's kind of like a sagey green color. Oh yeah, I like that. But like silvery, and no, it's more like greeny, sagey, champagne-y. Here she goes with all the E's on everything. And of course I like wisteria. Very pretty. Kind of would like those two together. Very spring-esque. Then we have right underneath of it the Shades by Shan. This is an eye brush set. You got a whole nice brush set. 5 brushes included. Then we have a NARS. This is the Power Matte Lipstick in the shade American Woman. As far as the price on this one, I think I've tried these lipsticks before. Oh no, I haven't. Ooh, I like that right off the bat. I thought it was going to be like a liquid one. Alright, the shade is super pretty. I feel like with that you can go like layered, or you could do like a soft like popsicle kind of kiss. So we like that a lot. And here's the little component. Next in here we have the Biro New York Oat Yogurt Moisture Barrier Cream. This is going to come in super handy for me. This has a $106 value. If you guys have tried this particular one, let me know. I've not tried that. Like aesthetically, this is just absolutely gorgeous. Alright, so something else I'm seeing in here is this little box that says Ipsy or IconBox Gabrielle Union. Oh my gosh, it's like little cookies and crackers. I think this is the Ipsy PR box. This is so freaking cool. Okay, so we'll have to redo the intro on that. How flipping cute is that? Ipsy, you're so sweet. Thank you. Then, ooh, we have Buxom White Russian. This is a full-on plumping lip oil. White Russian is the OG of the OG. Look at that. Full size. So the IconBox is, oh, that smells so good. Still available. If you do want to go ahead and sign up for it. Alright, let's feel the tangles. Oof, that is so pretty. I love lip oils, guys. I like shiny things. Alright, next in here, we have the Beauty Stat Triple Plump Coconut Milk Serum, powered by Chemistry. This has a $42 retail value. Have you guys tried this? I've never tried this brand before. But you guys know, I'm like on a huge skincare kick, using up what I already have. So definitely going to be trying, well, everything. Next in here, speaking of skincare, the Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliate with salicylic acid. I am very excited to try this out. My esthetician actually told me I need to be better about using the BHAs and all of that and doing a nice exfoliant. So this does have a retail value of $35. And then we have the Makeup Forever, the Professional All Mascara, maybe? Yeah, I think it is a mascara. Oh, that's fun. We've got Step 1 Lift, Step 2 Volume. Have you guys tried this out? Oh, so this side is like very pencil thin, gonna get right to the root. And then the next, Step 2 is the volume. So is it, ooh, okay. So it's a bit thicker of a wand. Do you like that? Okay. So that is everything in my Ipsy PR Icon box. These were really nice products. I told you guys when I unboxed the BoxyCharm by Ipsy, I was really pleased with that box. I thought it was really good. I really liked the products in here, or in that particular box for March. So let me know y'all's thoughts on the products here. Or since this was the February Icon box, a lot of you guys who had done like pre-ordered or whatever, already signed up for it, would have received or picked some of these items. So let me know down below your thoughts on them. Like for me, very intrigued by the Biro Oat Yogurt. And of course, I've heard nothing but wonderful things on the Paula's Choice. But let me know about the mascara. And we all know, everybody loves the whole, well, not everybody loves the lip oil, but Buxom White Russian specifically was so popular, what, 2018, 2017? What did you pick up? Are you going to go ahead and sign up for this box? There is going to be an affiliate link for you guys if you are interested in signing up. Thank you if you do decide to use my link. I greatly appreciate it. I am hopping up for now because I need to refilm the intro now that I realized that this was in fact a PR box. So thank you so much to Ipsy for thinking of your girl. I greatly appreciate it. Until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Bye.
Breaking rules on the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us too.